Hi, I'm Phil. I'm one of the team leaders here at Halfords Mobile Experts in Basingstoke. I'm going to talk to you today about some tips and tricks on how to keep your car maintenance low by doing a few things yourself. So when it comes to your brake fluid, you've got your reservoir up on the top here with your symbol that looks like a round disc with your pads on the outside. Now with your brake fluid, you don't really want to be opening this up because it's full of a hygroscopic fluid and it will just suck in any moisture into the fluid and make your pedal go a little bit spongy. So what we do with this one is you just want to check it. If it is below the minimum mark, I would recommend taking it to a garage to just have your braking system checked, because you may find that you either have low brake pads or a leak in the system.